Today I am going to create a desk organizer for you, and we are going to do it with the cardboard, and depends on your thickness of your cardboard, and sometimes it's cheaper to buy this thin one, like I have shown in many of my videos, is like maybe $10 for 100 pieces of this A4 size, or a little bit bigger, but it depends on the color as well. So I am using a white one because later we are going to bind it with craft paper, and it doesn't matter what color the board is, the cheapest the better. So but if you can get the gray board cheaper, or else it will be sturdier to create a desk organizer with a gray board. But gray board is also very difficult to cut. This one I actually cut them with just normal trimmer and normal blade. So that's why I like using cardboard here. So I'm just going to glue two pieces of this size together. So if you're using gray board or thicker board, obviously you don't need to stick two together. So you can depends on yourself. So right now we have two sides here, and then we have two more pieces of this size, and we will need to use it as the corner, the side corner of the board. So we will need to have this shape. So I am actually going to cut it and show you. So here the height is 2.5. So we will mark the height 2.5 here, and then we will cut from this corner to this corner, just like this. Okay. Then we will start doing this with the binding. I am using craft paper. So we are going to glue two pieces together, and using this craft paper sheets, the size is here on the screen. Like this. So it will be like this. It will be covered by design paper later, so a little bit of mistake doesn't matter that much. So, and then the next will be glue the size here. Right. So we will have and then we will also grid here. Furnish it well. That it should be like this. Right. Then the next is to put the size here, so we will need two different names. One is this one, and then this one, yes. Corners we'll have to cut off a little bit, and then the next steps is to glue it on here. And then we will need this side, which is which is this one. And then this the same here with this one. Then once again we will need to glue the inner side like before. Oops. Okay, so the basics is here. So, and then I have something I want to add and I will come back. What I'm going to do is add another piece here so that it will become a divider. So the size is here, and we are going to do exactly the same thing, which is to cover the top and then to add glue on here so that it will stay, and to be able to glue into the base. So we are going to put this 1.5 inch from the front, so it will be easier if you mark it. Just put it roughly. And then we are going to make sure that and then we will need more pieces to glue on here. Right. This is how it looks, adding the sign paper. Right, so I am going to decorate with some of the cutting paper, first cut sheets, and then it will be a perfect organizer. I actually create a box here, so just perfect size here, and then I'll show you the decorate version. So here is how it looks. I am not going to over decorate this, so it could be practical, and the box could be stored like this, just it here and there. It is actually both decorative and practical, but you want it to be not overused, so be gentle to it so it doesn't wear out too fast. I hope you like this project. It is easy and fun, and I think it will make a good gift. Bye bye.